Hold on, run that back for the real people. Say that one more time.
So it's the world's most powerful supercomputer that's ever been put inside of a production vehicle in history, and it actually generates 8,000 TOPS, so 8,000 trillion operations per second.
Welcome to GenAI Talks.
I'm Hugo Fossati, the Chief Business Officer at Tensor.
Awesome. We're going to give us a little bit of a tour on the outside. We're going to hop in and have a good conversation. Come on along.
So yeah, basically this is the world's first level 4 vehicle that's been designed from the ground up specifically for personal use. It's you can see it's quite a large vehicle. It's about 5.5 meters long, like 18 feet. So it's very comfortable. Actually, every angle, every contour has been designed to maximize the AI. So you'll see all the sensors that we've taken a very sensor-rich approach. So we have 17 megapixel cameras. We have 5 LiDARs and 11 radars, and all of them have been specifically designed for level 4 autonomy. So real, full autonomous driving. So for example, like, you know, the fact why the front nose is flat is to maximize. This is a LiDAR right here. You can see down to the ground. You can see, you know, very far in front, as well as all the sensors you see on top. Sees perfectly. You know, we can see. We're actually one of the very few companies that has made our own LiDAR. So it's our own proprietary LiDAR, and it sees 300 meters away. We can see a tire spinning 300 meters away.
Hold on. Y'all hear that? We can hear it. Like, that is so powerful.
Yeah.
So continue.
Yeah, I mean, this is very, very important. We do a lot of, you know, sensor fusion to have a perfect view of the world around the car. This is actually fundamental for safety. And actually, with all of that technology on top, all the sensors, it still achieves a very aerodynamic driving experience. It's got 0.253 coefficient, air drag coefficient. So it's actually very aerodynamic. Yeah, I can actually show you some other cool things around it. So because we designed it from the ground up, we were able to do some very unique things. Like, for example, this here is a wiper. So we're not asking you to drive the vehicle, so we don't ask you to maintain the sensors either. So this cleans the camera. This is a radar. This is another LiDAR here. Cameras. It's very, very important.
You know you made it when your sensors got its own windshield wiper.
Yeah, absolutely. And this kind of key, like, because, you know, our eyes, you know, we need to make sure our eyes are clear, our glasses are clear when we drive. So it's kind of really same concept. And we have a, you know, for example, because we designed it ourselves, there's a huge water tank, liquid tank in the middle that can actually make sure that these are constantly cleaned all the time, whereas a traditional car wouldn't. You know, the other thing is the reason why we designed it ourselves is all this technology on top. This is hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of extra pounds of weight. So that's why we designed our own chassis. So it's our own proprietary chassis specifically for level 4 autonomous driving, which again, for safety, is really critical. This is for the show floor, so we purposely didn't open them too much. But yeah, so of course you have your rearview mirror, you know, right here. But I'll show you like the signature technology, which is, you know, really defines the company.
Get your popcorn, folks. This is the signature moment.
I'll show you right in here. So, you know, one of the things is we believe in freedom. The company really believes in freedom, and we want people to drive when they want to drive. This is America after all. We love to drive. I love driving. And so this is why we have the steering wheel. But, you know, when you're in downtown traffic or you just don't want to drive, then basically, you know, you come here and you have all the different modes. We have level 0, level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4. So let's say you're on level 4, you just press this, steering wheel folds away. And then now, you know, screen, you know, kind of comes over very, very elegantly. And it's, you know, this is, you know, kind of your living room, you know, your family room, your office, you know, an extra kind of 6 inches of space here. And yeah, it's very, very comfortable. We have the world's most powerful supercomputer that's ever been put inside of a vehicle in history.
Hold on, run that back for the real people. Say that one more time.
So it's the world's most powerful supercomputer that's ever been put inside of a production vehicle in history. And it actually generates 8,000 TOPS, so 8,000 trillion operations per second. We've done this in conjunction with NVIDIA's latest GPU offerings, the Thor X, the Thor chips. It's got unprecedented levels of redundancy. So again, it's 8 chips, 8,000 trillion operations per second. There's effectively what we're experiencing is a shift from horsepower to brain power, and that's fundamental for the performance for level 4, fully autonomous driving. So, the other thing we didn't talk about, which is pretty fundamental, we think, is privacy. So when you talk about 100 sensors, it's like, okay, well, obviously, where's all this data going? And actually, so we've gone the other way. We've locked everything down, and so what that means is the owner of the vehicle can decide what he or she wants to share with Tensor. They don't have to share anything with us. If they don't want us to know where they are, we have no interest in knowing where they are. In fact, we cannot know where they are. And so basically, everyone can decide what they share, and that's fundamental, we think, for you don't share what happens in your living room or in your office. That's all private. So the same, because this is now your living room, this is now your whatever room you want it to be. So that should remain private.
What does 5 years from now look like?
Yeah, I mean, I think people are really gonna fall in love with this technology because the experience is magical, and it's difficult to sort of talk about it. I think people just really need to go and experience it because it's the consistency of it is phenomenal. It's comfortable. You're much more relaxed. You can say what you want to say. It's in the privacy of your own, of your own room, and so so I think that's and then just getting your time back. I mean, if you think about the average American, I think it's about an hour a day of dead time of commuting. You're never going to get that back, and so I think when people start to see all this, all what's happening with this extra time, some people are of course going to watch movies, but hey, that's relaxing time. That's very important to get to do that as well, or you do a lot of work and communicating with family, what have you.
Ladies and gentlemen, you just witnessed history. Hugo will be back again, but I need you to come back. If you enjoyed what you heard today, let us know in the comments. This is GenAI Talks. I'm Sam Cummings. I have the honor of a lifetime. I'll see y'all soon.
Big ideas, real tools, bold moves. That's what GenAI Talks is all about. Don't miss what's next. Subscribe and explore more in our GenAI community.